Online GK classes for class 7th. This is chapter 42, technical terms. This chapter is basically from science and technology. Okay, so this unit contains following chapters, and today we are dealing with fourth chapter of this unit, that is technical terms. And as per your textbook, this is chapter 42. So let us start chapter 42, technical terms, chapter 42. Now, a number of technical terms are given below. What? A number of technical terms are given below. Read the statements and try to identify each term. कौन सी term? Technical terms. So you are given with some technical illustration and you need to find out the name of that illustration. And that illustration is given for particular technical term. You need to understand and tell. So you need to know following terms: cloud computing, podcast, biometric, default, Wi-Fi, artificial intelligence, standby, cloud storage. I hope some of you are knowing some terms like I hope standby, Wi-Fi, default has been known to everyone. Some of you may also know biometric and artificial intelligence. Let us see what does it mean. When an electronic device is receiving power but is not running, it is in this mode. Again, when an electronic device is receiving power, उसको power मिल रही है but it is not running, ये उस पर काम नहीं किया जा रहा है. What does it this mode क्या हो सकता है? For example, a television is in this mode when it is plugged in but turned off. In such a situation, the television can be started again with the help of remote control. प्लग तो लगा हुआ है लेकिन वो काम नहीं कर रहा है, टर्न ऑन नहीं है. आप देख रहा होगा टेलीविज़न आप ऑफ करते हैं तो उसकी लाइट जलती रहती है. सो व्हाट डज इट मोड मीन्स? दिस मोड इज सिंक्रोनस टू स्लीप वाइल रेफरिंग टू द कंप्यूटर्स. अगर कंप्यूटर की बात करें तो सिनोनिमस, दिस मोड इज सिनोनिमस टू स्लीप वाइल रेफरिंग टू द कंप्यूटर. अगर कंप्यूटर में बात करें तो हम लोग बोलते हैं कंप्यूटर सो गया है, स्लीप हो गया है. तो इस मोड को क्या बोलते हैं? एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन आंसर? एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन आंसर? I hope some of you are able to know answer. The computer use very little power in this mode. Now everything is over. The name is standby. The mode is standby mode. The name is standby mode. Let us move to second mode. Second technical term. It is sometimes called AL. It is the ability of a computer to act like a human being. Now, it is commonly used in video games. समझ में आ रहा होगा आपको? That is AI. That is AI, not AL. Sorry for the pronunciation. AI. AI. Where the computer is made to act as another player. It is used in the video games where computer is made to act as another player. I hope you can know answer. If AI is very good, a game might be impossible to beat. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. Let us move to third technical term. It refers to technologies used to detect and recognize human physical characteristic. It is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control. It is also used to identify individuals in groups that are under surveillance. What does it mean? Biometric. Biometric, like your register is there, you are making your presence physically. Yes ma'am, yes sir, ऐसे बोल के अटेंडेंस लग जाती है. बायोमेट्रिक इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस बाय विच यू आर मेकिंग योर प्रेजेंस. बायोमेट्रिक सिस्टम्स आपको मतलब सर्विलेंस किया जा सकता है कि हाँ आप कहाँ पे हैं, कैसे क्या है. ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम techniques, and that technique is known as that techniques come under बायोमेट्रिक साइंस. जैसे आप कहीं गए होंगे, यू मे विजिट सम और यू कैन सी इन मूवी कि जाते हैं अंगूठे से, अंगूठा टच करके उस पर एंट्री करते हैं. तो अंगूठे से क्या होता है, अंगूठे उसका सैंपल पहले से ही कंप्यूटर के पास होगा. कंप्यूटर हैज़ गॉट हिज सैंपल in advance, and now when he visit that office, that place time and again, and use that thumb, then if the thumb of that man is matched with the earlier sample, तो उसको एंट्री मिल जाएगी. आपने मूवीज में देखा होगा. दैट इज बायोमेट्रिक. नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्म इज, this term is used to describe a preset value of some option in a computer program. It is value used when a setting has not been specified by user. कोई सेटिंग जो स्पेसिफाई नहीं हो पाती है तब यूज़ किया जाता है. दैट इज डिफ़ॉल्ट. मीन्स डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यूज़ जो अपने आप ही हैं. व्हेन यू buy any computer, when you buy any mobile, then something is there in some apps has been installed, some setting has been installed from its owner, from its genuinity. जहाँ से आया है वहीं से उसमें कुछ ना कुछ हो रखा है, मतलब इंस्टॉल हो रखा है. दैट इज डिफ़ॉल्ट सेटिंग. मतलब जो सेटिंग अपने आप है, जो सेटिंग आपने नहीं की है. दैट्स वाई व्हेन यू रीसेट योर मोबाइल, it has got its initial settings. And so that is known as default. Like one question is for you. Some of you may use what computer. So when you open the Word application, can you remember what font is used by computer? What font is being provided by you computer every time when you open the same word page? वर्ड पेज खोलोगे तो कंप्यूटर में एक वर्ड जो फॉन्ट है, जो भी टाइप करोगे उस फॉन्ट का पर्टिकुलर नाम होता है. ठीक है. सो हर बार आप कहीं भी खोलोगे, दैट फॉन्ट इज यू विल गेट टू राइट इन दैट फॉन्ट. सो दैट इज डिफॉल्ट. नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं. The name combines the term iPod and broadcast into a single catchy word. As the name suggests, it is what? Audio and video broadcast that can be played on an iPod. And answer is podcast. Podcast. It is iPod, technical term used for.
Let's crack it. Are you a government job aspirant and wondering where to begin your preparation? Well, it's time.
Now, the next is, it is use of computing resource such as hardware and software. These computing resources are delivered as a service over a network which is typically known as the internet. What does it mean? It can be said that in the next stage in the internet evolution. Next, इतनी बड़ी टर्म है. Next stage in the internet evolution. Internet, you all are knowing that you all are using internet, but this is a next stage. Such a big term it is. Cloud computing. Okay, so this can be we can say computing in the bulk, computing in a large manner by computer. Okay, so आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. It is a model of networked online storage where data are stored in a pools of storage which are generally hosted by various companies. Hosting companies operate large data centers and people who require their data to be hosted by lease storage and capacity from them. What does it mean? Let us name the cloud storage. What does it mean? It means like you store your money in the bank, like you store your jewelry in the lockers. Similarly, in today's time, people have got a lot of data. Data has been increasing day by day. The question is this: if your device fails, then your data will be go out. Then what? Your data will go out. Then what you can do? So you can store your data in cloud storage. And this cloud storage has been provided by some companies by taking little charge. Like if you talk about Google Drive, you can say this is free of cost cloud storage. Google Drive, you can ask for Google Drive. Google Drive में आप 15 GB का डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं. And from where you get Google Drive? Google Drive is we can say default cloud storage for Gmail users. If you have got a Gmail ID, you can store your 15 GB data. But some of you have got, like, there are so many good so many big institutions, they have got a large data. So from where they get data if they lost this data? So they put your data in a store. These companies put your data in a store while taking some money from you. That is called cloud storage. And now next term is, it refers to wireless. वायरलेस आ गया तो सभी बता देंगे. अब networking technology that allows computers and other devices to communicate over a wireless signal. It is shortly for wireless fidelity. Now some of you can answer. Vic Hayes is often considered the father of this technology. क्या नाम है? Vic Hayes is often considered, and name is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. You all know Wi-Fi. तो did you know section क्या है हमारे पास आज? Li-Fi. जैसे वाईफाई था, यह है Li-Fi. Refers to wireless communication systems using light as a carrier instead of traditional radio frequencies. Light. Now your data will be circulated with the help of light, as in the case of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi radio frequencies काम करता है, radio frequencies जाती हैं, traditional radio frequencies, but Wi-Fi will use light for carrying your data. What a tremendous achievement in terms of technology. I hope you have enjoyed the session. You can contribute in technology by learning more and more, by understanding these technologies, by understanding these technical terms. Thanks for watching.